What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I have some huge news. So for those of you guys that have never heard of Cleetus Mcfarlands, he's a huge automotive YouTuber, arguably one of the biggest in the game. And every year he hosts a couple events called Cleetus and Cars. Now, one of the highline events at Cleetus and Cars is called Demolition Drag Racing. And if you've never heard of Demolition Drag Racing, well, take a look at this.
Got him! Oh my God!
Alright, so now that we got an idea of what Demolition Drag Racing is, I'm here to tell you that I will be competing this year, November 21st, Bradenton Motorsports Park, in the Demolition Drag Race at Cleetus and Cars. So we got a car, we got to get it stripped completely down so that way we can pass safety inspection. We got to add some safety features to the car, and I'm going to take you guys along with me on the journey of getting this car ready for the Demolition Drag Race. I can't wait to bring you guys along. It's going to be a super fun event. It's going to be a great opportunity for everybody to get out of the house right before winter. We've been cooped up because of COVID, and this is going to give us a chance to go out and have some fun, and I know it's going to be a great time. I can't wait to compete. I can't wait to put my car up against everybody else's car and see who comes out on top. So thank you guys so much for watching. Keep it locked. I'm going to be dropping a bunch of videos as we get the car ready for the Demolition Drag Race. Also, if you're going to the event, drop a comment, let me know. We should try and meet up, get some photos, get you guys into one of the videos. It's going to be a great time. November 21st, Bradenton Motorsports Park, Cleetus and Cars, Demolition Drag Race. Can't wait. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you later.
Nails done.